I'm sitting in the very first 7-seat ULEZ compliant campervan designed with the British roads in mind. Hello there, welcome to Sussex Campervans. It's Daniel here, filming today again at Sumner's Ponds. Check the link in the description. You know, very rarely can you say in the world of campervans you've come up with something truly unique and original, but I think we have today. This vehicle goes under height barriers, it'll park in a standard parking place, but somehow it manages to have 7 belted road seats and oodles of internal accommodation too. A decade ago, we at Sussex Campervans pioneered the CamperCar based on the Nissan NV200, and what a hit it's been. What I thought would be a small thing has turned out to be a really big thing, and it really touched a nerve and supplied something a lot of people were looking for. What if you want to go bigger? What if you want to take more people, but you still want that kind of city vehicle vibe? You still want to be able to get under height barriers, park in a standard parking space, but go camping with 7 people. Well, this is the NV350 CamperBus. It's big brother. The cab of the NV350 is a lovely place to be. There are panoramic windows and a good high driving position, so you have a commanding view of the road ahead. Anyone can drive this vehicle. There's belted seating for 2 or 3 here in the cab. There's spacious seating for 3 here in the centre, 1, 2 and 3. And this seating space is versatile. It folds in different ways. You can drop the backrest down and you can fold the whole seat forward as well. And there's 2 more belted seats here in the rear on our in-house designed rock and roll bed. That's the CamperBus in its driving mode, a capable MPV for 7 people. Now let me show you it as a home from home here on a campsite. Let's pop the roof. Like in all of our roofs, the whole of the front unzips for a panoramic view and lots of natural light. We have adjustable mesh vents either side for ventilation too. There's a great mid-lounge space here, and of course the cab's still available if you want to sit in peace and quiet. If you take dogs with you, or lots of luggage, there's a huge floor space here where you can put things and lash them down safely. When you're safely on site, the kitchen unfolds. Let's talk about the facilities. Let's talk about what you get in the CamperBus. You know, lots of people have said to us, they're really not happy with having gas in the vehicle. They don't like the thought of a gas leak, carbon monoxide, explosions, all those kinds of things, and naked flames as well. And so we pioneered the VXE system. It's 100% electric. You have a big main storage which gives you the same power as you'd have in your house. And this means you can take any appliances you like from home, and that opens up a huge vista of what we can do. We have a microwave you can use anytime. We've moved to induction cooking, all the power and controllability of gas, faster if anything, wipe it straight clean when you've finished using it, and completely safe. We'd love to help you on your journey to getting a campervan. Have you read the Essential Campervan Buyer's Guide yet? It's now in its 11th edition. If you haven't, I would like to give you one. Click the link below, fill in your details, and we will post you one of these within the UK free of charge. It's 105 pages full of information, stories, tips and tricks, insider stuff that will really help you as you're thinking about owning your very own campervan. The inverter's controlled here, which is the full-time mains power. Got 4 lighting circuits, so there really is quite a variation of mood lighting possible. Circuit breakers rather than fuses, so you'll never get caught without one. We've managed to squeeze in a full 50-litre fridge with a proper freezer box. We've gone for a pull-out tap with 2 spray patterns. You've got a pour pattern or a shower pattern, and the hose is long enough to pull out and wash your dog. There's a handy picnic perch at the back here with the tailgate open where you can sit and admire the view. This vehicle has lots of storage in the back as well for your camping essentials. And you can access the electrical system through here. This is where all the fuses are, where the inverter is, where the battery lives. When it's time for bed, just moving one lever converts our rock and roll bed for night time in under 10 seconds. It's really that simple. And it's just as easy to go back to day mode. There we are. We're ready to drive. With the optional roof bed, 2 more people can sleep up here in the roof too. You can even have all 5 seats up and have the bed down if you want to. A young person would be pretty comfortable sleeping here too if you need 5. And you could even put a travel cot or a roll mat on the floor to get a 6th. What do you think? Do you like it? the CamperBus really is the camper van that's got it all. So practical for everyday life. You can go under height barriers, you can park in a standard supermarket parking space, you can take the children, you can take their friends, you can take them to the football all together, you can go on holiday, you can take the dog, you can deliver furniture to a friend. This is a capacious vehicle that you really can use every single day. Yeah, I'm good. Sorry, I thought to have more pressure than...
Whoa! Whoa! Scott, mate, you didn't even get your phone.